In this video, I'm going to be opening a sewing subscription box. The company is called Thread Crate, and this video is not sponsored. This is my third box that I've gotten from this company, and so far I've been pretty pleased with them. The way that this subscription box works is they send you a pattern and fabric to make the pattern, and then a few tools that you may or may not need to make the pattern as well, then just some fun sewing goodies. All right, let's open up the box. So I gotta cut off the tape first. And I'm really happy that this one actually came in all right. The last box that came in was totally a mess. It was smashed, it had exploded and everything, so I'm glad this one's actually intact. Here we go. Okay, so first thing that I see here is they want me to hold on, don't rip it open yet. So they want me to take a picture of the crate contents, sew my garment, and then share a photo on their page. Well, I'm making this video, so that's enough. I don't see the packing slip right at the top. I guess it is here. It's right here. And look, I get another fabric swatch card. That was in last month's box too, which I think is pretty cool because then if you're not going to use the fabric right away, you can just put a swatch on here, label your information, and then you know what you have. So it looks like this month's pattern is the Pepper by Made for Mermaids. And it is a puff sleeve knit top and sweater. All right, and inside here we've got a waffle knit fabric, a needle, which should be ballpoint, and yes it is. And then we've got Madeira thread, and fabric chalk, so tailor's chalk, and stitch witchery, which is a fusible bonding web. We've got a seam ruler, buttonhole cutter, and we've got some Gooderman thread. Okay, save the bag for last because there's always so many little things in there. So this is our seam ruler. And it looks pretty cool, but I need a deeper look. Interesting. So I'm not fully sure how to use these yet, but I'm sure I will find out soon. So it's got two little plastic things that came in it, and it's got the instructions on how to use it. I would assume that's what this is because I don't know what else it could possibly be. Yep, instructions. Cool. Okay, and now we've got the stitch witchery, the fusible bonding web, and it's an ultra light, which generally when it's an ultra light, it means you can use it on knit fabrics. Okay, so let's see if it is. Okay, so this one is a no-sew, which means that you don't want to be sewing through it because you could damage, ruin, break your needle, all the things. So I like to use this kind of stuff on hemming and projects that I really hate sewing. I'm always happy to have more of this. And now we've got our buttonhole cutter set. Interesting. So it looks like there is a cute little cutting mat in there, and then you've got the punch tool to like punch a hole. And then it looks like that is a blade to cut a straight line. And this one actually doesn't look like it comes with instructions. So guess who's gonna be YouTubing other videos? And oh, I forgot they said this month they printed out the pattern for us. So I've got my physical pattern, which is pretty cool because now I don't have to print it, but I do still have access to the digital file. So I do appreciate that they are doing that this time so that I don't actually have to print and tape my pattern together. Okay, and here is my waffle knit fabric. It is a gorgeous red color. I can pull it out. Oh, and it's so soft. So I wear a lot of reds, so this works out pretty great for me. It is pretty thin, but I would expect nothing less of a waffle knit. So, pretty fabric. And then we've got our little bag left. It's cute. I really like all these cute little bags that they send with the stuff. Okay, so we've got this is the thread, the Madeira thread. And it's got a rainbow color. That's pretty fun. Don't know what I would use it on, but it's cute. I like it. And then we've got, let's see. This is the tailor's chalk. It's white. Always happy to have more of this too, because I actually do use it, believe it or not. As much as you guys see my fabric marker in my videos. So that is the Taylor's chalk and what it looks like. And then we've got our needle. I assume it's just one, our ballpoint needle. Yep. Which is happy, again, labeled, which I really appreciate. And it's not just loose, which is nice too. And then we've got the Gutermann thread to match my fabric, which that's a pretty good match, so I'm happy. And we've got some more Wonder Clips. So I love Wonder Clips. I use them on all my projects. So again, I'm always happy to have more. They were very practical with this month's box, I think. In past box, they've given us like coasters and mugs and things like that. So like those are fun and exciting, but I feel like this box was just very practical and I will use all of these things. Not that I won't use the mug and the coaster because I totally use those all the time, but I guess when it comes to sewing is more what I mean. So very practical box for March. So I will probably be only doing one more video of the thread crate boxes because I'm feeling like I'm very swamped with the projects that I have on hand already and they keep sending me new ones. So as much as I love getting all the tools and the fun goodies in the box, I will probably put a hold on my subscription for a while. So I have one more box coming for April. I'm getting April's box and then I will probably put my hold on. So you guys get one more video for now. And that's it for this thread crate box video. So thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.